Day and Night, Unit 4, Second Standard, Term 3, EVS. You will learn about the sky during the day and night, rhythms of the day and night, directions. Observe the picture. What do you see? You can see the day sky. Let's talk about the sun. The sun gives us light and heat. It helps plants to grow. The sun is much bigger than the earth where we live. The sun looks small because it is far away from the earth. There will be no life on earth if there is no sun. What is shadow? When an object does not allow light to pass through it, it's a dark area. A dark area is formed and it is called as shadow. So here is an experiment. Stand with your back to the sun. Look at the ground in front of you. What you see is your shadow. Find out if your shadow moves with you. Let's talk about the night sky. Can we see in the dark? We need light to see things. Now observe the pictures. How is the night sky different from the dark sky? So during the day you can see the sun, but at night you can see the moon and the stars in the sky. So let's talk about the moon. In the night sky we can see the moon, many stars and clouds too. As you know, the moon does not have light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. Now what are the phases of the moon? Does the moon look the same every day? Now observe the moon in the sky every night for 15 days and find out. The moon appears to change shape every night. On the night when we see it in its complete form, it is called as full moon. On the night when we cannot see the moon at all, even if the sky is clear, it is called as new moon. Many festivals are celebrated based on the phases of moon. For example, Mahalaya Amavasya, Eid. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. Stars. There are countless stars in the sky. The sun is the nearest star. The stars shine during the day too, but we cannot see their light because of the sun, because sun is much brighter than the other stars. We see that a group of stars appears to form a pattern in the sky. Have you seen any star patterns? The position of the pattern of stars helped people to know when to sow and harvest the crops. They also helped people to find directions during travel. Now let's do match the following. Sun helps plants to grow. Stars form patterns. Moon does not have its own light. Shadow, a dark area that travels with me. Rhythms of day and night. Day and night follow each other in a rhythmic way. Most animals and plants are active during the day and sleep at night. But some plants close their leaves by evening. Example, rain tree. However, some animals are active at night. The bat, owl, wild big cat, mouse, wolf, cockroach and firefly are examples of animals that are active at night. They are active at night to catch other animals wandering at night for their food. Avoid animals that eat them during the day. Avoid the heat of the day. They have big eyes. like owl and cat, a sharp sense of smell, mouse and dog, good hearing, bat. Most flowers bloom in the morning. However, some flowers bloom at night. Examples are jasmine, water lilies, tuberose, cactus flower, datura flower. Many of them have a lovely fragrance. Many are white in color, though some have attractive color. The Bethlehem lily is called the queen of flowers that bloom at night. Identify and tick the animals that are active at night. Cockroach, mouse, bat, owl. Directions. Front, back, right and left tell us where things are based on a reference point. North, south, east and west tell us where places and things are based on the position of the sun. They are called directions. Directions help us reach a place without getting lost. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Now stand facing the sun in the morning, that is east. Behind you is west. To your right is south. To your left is north. Evaluation, label the pictures. First one is sun, moon, stars, earth. Write the name of the animals that are active at night. We have wolf, firefly, cockroach, rat. Write true if true and F if false. The sun gives us light and heat, true. The shape of the moon changes every night, true. Groups of stars appear in many patterns, true. The jasmine blooms during the day, false. When you stand facing east, to your right is west, false. Observe the given picture and fill in the blanks. The dash is in the south side of the garden pond. The dash is in the north side of the garden tree. The dash are on the east side of the garden flowers. The dash is to the west side of the garden dog. Identify the flowers that bloom at night by putting a tick mark. The datura flower and tuberose.